In a previous session, what we have learned how to export the data. If you already created how to export the data to the SQL as well as the Excel, we learned. Here the reverse we will learn, like how to import the data if it is there in a SQL format, or how to import the data if it is there in a CSV format. Any CSV file you have, how to connect that CSV file, means load that CSV file data into a SQL also we will learn. First, we will go for the SQL importing. Okay, we'll go to server here, data import. Click on that data import. In data import, first we have to give like entire folder to be imported. Then we have to select this one. Okay, the entire folder if you like to import. In case I just want to import only one file, then we have to select this one, import the only one file. We can say here, you can choose from where you like to import the file. I just say here, we can select here in a dump. We already dumped in a previous session. Okay, in that I will select any of the one file, like I just want jobs, or yeah, hr database dot jobs, this one. I just open, and I just want to create a new, where exactly it has to be loaded, right? This table to be loaded. I just want to say that create a new one. I just say demo underscore import. Okay, this is a database name. Okay, then we can go to here, import progress. Click on start import. Like I think it is imported. We can go back to SQL query. We can check, um, use that particular database name, the name of the database. If it is not showing here, just refresh. Demo import, right? Use demo underscore import. Okay, demo underscore import to check the imported one. Like I just show tables, to show all the tables. Okay, jobs is the table. I can say select star from jobs. Okay, so all the jobs related data will be exported, right? Like this, means any data which is there in SQL format we can import by using a server. In case I would like to create a new table, okay, which table is there in a CSV, means Excel or CSV format, especially CSV format or JSON, then how can we get it done? For example, the same file I would like to take the data import in that particular table. Okay, we'll go to table. Now, one table created is jobs. I just want to import one more table. I just say right click on that tables, and I say table data import wizard. Okay, there it will give you the from where you like to upload. Like I can browse here, like where exactly you kept your CSV file. You can select that CSV file. Okay, you can select that CSV file and you can say next. Okay, here you can create like where exactly this CSV file to be created in a existing table is a jobs is that. The new table we are going to create in a import, I just say federal bank, or I just say bank data. Okay, bank underscore data. Okay, just I give uh, the demo. Okay, just you can give the table name. Next, it shows that which are the table we have, the table structure it will show. Okay, nothing to do with the table structure because everything will be fine. Here it's showing all the data. Next, I say next. Now we have to say next again to prepare that particular data. It will data will be imported. It may take bit time. If you are having a larger file, it will take more time. When you have a small file, like limited number of rows, then it will do quickly. Then I can say like next. It started like 1235 records have been imported. If you say finish, it will be imported successfully. Now if I refresh here, yes, it shows that blank data, bank data has been there. Okay, now you can check also, like um, select um all column from bank underscore data, right? So that it will show that all the data which we have been imported in that particular file. Okay, later course you can do all the things, analysis or anything later course, right? So how to import a data we have been learned here, like uh, way we will import, like either your data will be in a excel format or csv format, or it may be in a sql format. If it is there in sql format, we have to go here server and import data import. If it is there in a csv, in created database, or you can create a new database and you can go to table there, and you have to say uh, table data import wizard. Okay, so these are the way we can import a data from the other formats also.